After a really long wait, the Masterclass update you've been waiting for is finally here. This is the Funded Account Masterclass with the prop firms. I've started deploying the Masterclass and giving access to current students already. It should be available in your dashboard within the next couple of days. So, how did I design this Masterclass in the first place? First of all, you will start slow and clearly understand what prop firms are, and then deeply learn about all the prop firm rules. We will talk about the costs and earning ratios in the masterclass along with the expectations versus the reality. Then we will move on to the core of this masterclass, which is probably the most used system in the prop firm world. Stack, circulate, evaluate, and then get a possible payouts. This is one of the most used prop firm trading system to reach payouts. Why do people choose this system over other traditional trading methods? You will understand when I show the reasons behind. Then, of course, I'll talk about how to manage your risks properly and what kinds of trading methods that you can use. It is actually completely different from trading a regular cash broker accounts. I will teach you how to think outside of the box by showing the methods you have probably never seen before. And then finally, before we finish, there will be something important I want to discuss. I will talk about the zero risk business approach. Yes, there are actually some people out there who almost spend nothing, almost $0, but still manage to get payouts. So how do they achieve this system, and what exactly are they doing differently? And can you really follow this kind of business model yourself? We will go through and break down this business model together. I really hope you enjoyed this masterclass update, as it took around a year to research, design, and fully implement. See you folks, and take care.